Hey friend, today I will show you how to turn ChatGPT into Alex Hormozi, crafting an irresistible offer that can't be refused. It's basically $100,000 worth of feedback given to you for free. Before we begin, I want to say that I will personally send $50 to the person who doesn't get a single like on their comment after 24 hours of publishing it. Let's continue. First of all, why should you care to create a great offer? Well, let's say you need a landing page for your banana business. Who would you rather buy from? Consider this. You require a landing page for your banana business. Would you prefer seller A, who simply states, "I will create a landing page for you for $500, or seller B, who says, "I'll design a customized landing page for you, hold interviews with 10 of your target customers, use that data to write compelling copy for your landing page. Plus, you don't pay me until your page hits $10,000 in sales." Oh, and did I mention my no banana, no paper guarantee? You won't pay unless you're 100% satisfied with the results, all for $2,000. Clearly, seller B's proposition stands out. This is because an irresistible offer isn't just about what you're selling. It's how you bundle and present the value you can offer to your customers. Now here's a simple framework to create irresistible offers. Alex Hormozi's value equation. It's an example prompt from my secret collection of 20,000 plus proven ChatGPT prompts to 10x your results. Every prompt engineer has one, but you can get it with a huge discount right now. So grab it in description below before it expires. Anyway, let's continue with the dream score. This equation evaluates your offer based on 4 factors. The dream outcome. What's the best possible outcome of this product? The likelihood of achievement. How probable is it that the buyer will achieve the dream outcome? The time delay. How long until the dream outcome is achieved? The effort and sacrifice. What effort does the buyer have to put in to achieve the dream outcome? To create an offer that's hard to resist, you need to amplify the dream outcome and likelihood of achievement, and reduce the time delay and effort and sacrifice. But how to apply this in practice? Here's where the ultimate Alex Hormozi offer sexifier prompt comes into play. Now, copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. I put it in description below. Step 1, rank your offer. The first step of the prompt gives you 4 things. Scores for each of the 4 value equation parts 2. An overall offer score to rate you offer. 3. Actionable suggestions on how to improve each value equation, score 4. 2 suggestions of alternative offers with even higher offer scores. I'll start with describing my offer. Here's what Hormozi had to say about a ChatGPT prompt pack for entrepreneurs. The maximal offer score is 1 million, and I got a measly 220,000. But this is where the prompt gets really powerful. Use this second prompt to let Alex Hormozi improve your offer to a maximum offer score. Here's how ChatGPT revised the prompt pack from the previous example. It's time for you to stop wasting your time and start creating irresistible offers. By the way, another offer you cannot refuse, is my 20,000 plus secret ChatGPT prompt collection, which will boost your workflow in seconds. I've created the collection with painstaking research, but you can get it now with a 70% off if you click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.